when we had the accident at Wallops, the mishap where we lost Antares, and then recently SpaceX lost Dragon, there were kids at those launches who had experiments on those spacecraft, who had the disappointment of losing them, and welcome to the real world of rocket science, I guess, but also had the excitement of knowing that they were a part of something that's really, really hard. And I heard a story of a kid who was interviewed by a reporter who said, yeah, it's really a bummer to lose that experiment, but I'm kind of 50-50. I got to see a rocket explode, and that was really exciting. And we're going to fly it again. We're going to build it again, and we're going to fly it again. And they did. And there'll be more and more of that. And it teaches, I think, kids a lesson that if it's worth doing twice or three times or whatever it takes to achieve your goal. And I think that it makes them realize that the really hard things are the ones that really matter, and that I think it also gives them a sense that they can, in fact, participate in spaceflight. And like for myself, when I was 13 and decided I wanted to be an astronaut, it helped to have some teachers who said, you can do this way, and this is where you need to go. And my parents, who were supportive, these kids are getting the same thing from an even broader community, that, yeah, maybe I could be an astronaut. If not, I can be a scientist or an engineer. And I've run into people, even people in Congress, who said, I'm doing what I do now because of the Apollo program or because of the space shuttle program, depending on their age. And so you never know who you're going to affect by being a part of something like this. And there's a business side of it, there's a commercialization side of it, but there's also an inspirational and educational side of it that I think will help keep the programs going.